All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So some of you guys have asked, does it work with Verizon? This is the AT&T version of this device, the Surface Duo. And I went through the unlock process. I showed you guys everything I could possibly show you with the unlock process. I documented my entire 16 day journey. You can, in fact, unlock the AT&T versions through Microsoft. So be sure to check that video out if you haven't already done so. But in this video, we're talking about whether it works on Verizon. And the short answer is absolutely. Someone asked what I did to get it to work on Visible, and I didn't do anything. But let's go into the settings here. Not Bluetooth. I don't want to go into Bluetooth. I want to go into data. And down here, you'll see it is on the Verizon network. And so I was doing a speed test earlier. Close it out, though. Let's go back into it here. And you'll see it's going to pull up the Verizon Surface Duo network right there. So it's Verizon, and there it is. And I'll just run a brief speed test real quick just to show you that it is doing great over Verizon. No issues. So you should be able to get the AT&T variant of this device, have it unlocked. Remember, you just got to have some patience if you're doing the unlock process with the AT&T version. It took me approximately 16 days total for the shipping. Well, I'm adding in my shipping time and all that stuff because I bought this brand new, and I'll have a link down below where you can buy yours at for dirt cheap, almost $400. You buy the AT&T version, and then you contact Microsoft directly. Sometimes you can go ahead and go to the portal, and I'll put both of those down there. I guess to save yourself the headache, go ahead and, after you get your device, go to the AT&T portal, put in your request. Even though AT&T is going to reject it, Verizon will still approve it, and that's exactly what's happening for everyone. They'll ask for that NUL code. Not Verizon. Microsoft will ask you for that NUL code. So you'll be able to use this on Verizon. I'm using this on Verizon's network. So it's a good thing that pretty much, because I initially thought, because I bought one of these from BuyDig, and it was just GSM unlocked. It wasn't fully unlocked for all the networks. And I'm assuming the ones that were selling there, they were just unlocking it, taking the AT&T version, unlocking it, I guess, partially. I don't know. I don't even think that's possible. But the fact of the matter is, it can be unlocked. With the AT&T version can be unlocked, and it works on Verizon network once it's unlocked. So Visible, Verizon's network. You know, someone asked, how did you get it to work on Visible? Once again, I didn't do anything. I just popped my SIM card into it. You know, so maybe you have to reboot the device. I'm not sure, but all I did was reboot this device, put the Verizon SIM card in there, and it worked. You don't typically need to do. Now, just to be clear, I rebooted this device afterwards just for my own personal gains, but I didn't reboot the device just to put the SIM card in there. It was just a personal choice I made to reboot the device. And I think you should do that. It's not hurting you by rebooting the device after you put your SIM card in there. It'll just pull down and latch onto the tower and give you the best connection that you could get on the device. So speed test out of the way, just to show you it's on Verizon's network. Data, show you it's on Verizon's network. I guess I'll go into the APN settings here. All right, here we go. So you can see it is on the Verizon's network. It's on the Verizon's network. So that's a huge plus. This is what you want. So it works. The AT&T version, once unlocked, does work on Verizon's network. And someone in the comments said that there's work too. And at first, I hadn't tried this yet. So it in fact does work. So questions answered. There you go. Another video on the Surface Duo. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, it works on the Verizon network once it's unlocked. If you have not purchased one of these yet at this low price of $400 roughly, you're crazy, especially if you've been on the fence about doing it. And if you go with the unlocked version, that's fine too. But the AT&T version, man, if you just have a little patience after you order, you will get it unlocked and you can save yourself hundreds of dollars. So it's up to you to decide. If you want to go straight to the unlocked version and pay the extra $200, whatever they're charging, you don't want to wait an extra 2 weeks to get your unlock code, I understand. Anyway, I'll have links down below, so check them out if you want to purchase. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.